Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Impatient rabbit.
Impatient. You changed the joke to a rabbit. Should we say bye-bye to rabbit and hello to everyone else? Ah, you're taking the rabbit away. Okay, today we're going to be making a sail car. We're going to be using the STEMFIE project for most of our parts. These here are our STEMFIE parts. We also have some custom 3D printed pieces for our sail car. And we have some parts that can't be printed, like O-rings for the wheels and the axles, so we can reduce... You want to come back? So we can reduce the welding resistance. We also have some tools, scissors, and some paper for the sails. Should we start? Let's do it quickly. Let me try mine.
Don't get on the floor.
Okay, I'll catch it before it goes on the floor. Thank you.
My turn. I think good there.
We can try other angles. Look, we can put it this angle. If we try blowing this way, maybe we can get it to go sideways. Do you think it can do that?
Like this, that I put.
No, it's not going anywhere. What can we do? How about if we go like this and blow it? What's going to happen? Should we try? So I think when other people are making these, what do you think they can do?
No.
Let me think. I think you can experiment with different shapes. What happens if you put it bigger at the top and smaller at the bottom? We have a sail that's very big at the bottom and very small at the top. You can experiment with different sail shapes and see which shapes work best which shapes fall over easily and which shapes go the fastest. Should we say bye-bye to everyone? Bye-bye and see you next time.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Anything else?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up and like the channel. I forget that every time, don't I? Okay, bye-bye.